Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit money in Binance US from a bank account. First, log into your Binance US account and complete identity verification. This step is crucial for enabling bank transfers and ensuring fund security. Next, navigate to the deposit section and choose the USD option. Link your bank account, typically through a secure service like Plaid, which connects directly to your financial institution. Ensure the bank account is in your name to avoid delays. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate a deposit. From the main dashboard, select Deposit and then choose USD. You'll see your linked bank account as an option. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, keeping in mind any daily or transaction limits. For example, you might have a $5,000 daily limit. Double-check all details, including the amount and selected bank account, before proceeding. This ensures accuracy and a smooth transaction. It's important to understand the limits and potential fees for bank deposits. ACH deposits usually have a minimum of $1. Daily deposit limits vary based on your verification level, often ranging from $2,000 to $100,000. Binance US generally does not charge fees for ACH deposits, but your bank might. Always review the fee schedule on the Binance US website and with your bank to avoid surprises. Funds typically clear in a few business days. After initiating your deposit, funds typically appear in your Binance US account within 3 to 5 business days. You can monitor the status of your deposit by checking your transaction history within the platform. This section provides real-time updates on your pending and completed transfers. If, after 5 business days, your funds have not been credited, contact Binance US customer support. Provide them with all relevant transaction details for a quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.